Hello and welcome back to the tutorial. As mentioned in the previous video, a lot of the dplyr functions are quite self-explanatory. One that might not be quite clear what it does is the mutate function. It can be used to add additional variables to a dataset. So for example, if we want to create a new variable called streams plus 10 that just takes the number of streams and adds 10, we can call mutate, then the data frame, the new variable name, and the old variable name, and whatever function we want to apply to this variable. Again, we want to overwrite our music dataset in order to save our changes. So as we can see, again, now we have 7 variables, and if we expand this, we can see this streams plus 10 variable, and if we compare this to the streams variable, here we have 0, 8 at the end, here we have 1, 8, 87, 97, and so on. One very useful thing to do with this mutate function is to standardize a variable by deducting the mean and dividing through the standard deviation. Again, we add a new variable called streams standardized in this case, and we have this new variable in our dataset by overriding what we already had. Of course, we can also add completely new data. In this case, we just create a fictional extra column and say new data is equal to this extra column. And as long as this is saved somewhere in our global environment, we can add it to our dataset. Another function that does a quite similar thing as mutate is the transmute function. The only difference is that transmute only returns the one column that is created by the function and not the entire data frame. So if we overwrite our existing data frame using the transmute function, we'll lose all other data except for the one that we have created here. Thank you very much for watching. This is it for this tutorial.